you think of this river? Got here to the South River and this flooding and whatnot. It's insane.
Okay, so that right there, rolling over the dam right there.
Isn't that crazy, Big D?
Guys, this is where we made our skip video.
Do you want to go on a little hike, Big D? Go up and around here?
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah.
Like, see where this path is? Take this path.
Oh my god, you're sketchy.
Not that sketchy.
It's good for your head.
It is slippery, huh? What are you doing, Dane? You're a weirdo. You good, Big D?
Yeah, you got it.
This is awesome.
Is this crazy?
Bubbles.
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 What'd you think about that, Big D?
It was nice.
It was nice? That's all you gotta say about it? It was nice? That's it?